Now we're going to continue with our attributes for closed paths. I already made all my ellipses here on the right that I'm going to use. You might want to do that now, so go ahead and press pause and do that quick, and then we'll move on. So with the attributes for closed path, we're going to change quite a few things with it. First off, we're going to change the stroke only. So to do that, I need to make sure that I have my control panel up or my properties panel available, and then I want to click on and select that shape. So I need to have my selection tool, shortcut key B, and I'm going to click on it. See that it pops up as far as its attributes over here. I just want to have the stroke only. It's black. Our fill's none, so we're good to go there. Next one is the fill only. I'm going to go ahead and change that and throw in a red, and then change my stroke to none. Now my next one is stroke and fill. We already have my stroke. I'm just going to leave that, and we're going to change the fill to yellow. That is done. We're going to start our next one. Our stroke is black. We want to change the color of that. Let's go ahead and choose pink. Now we're looking at our stroke weight. We're going to keep it black, but we're just going to go ahead and change it to 3. Widens our stroke there a little bit. For our variable width profile, we need to make sure that our stroke is more than 1 point because we need a variance in our profile there, and I'm just going to choose the second one, and you can see it's made some changes along our variable width here. Next, I'm going to go to brush definition, and we're going to go ahead and look at our 10-point oval and see what that does here for our ellipse. Next, we're going to look at fill color. We already did fill once, but we're going to go ahead and do it again and just do a fill color. We'll go with green. We're going to leave the stroke there. Even though it doesn't say stroke and fill, we're just going to leave that, which is fine. Our fill gradient, to do that, we can just go and make sure we're clicked on that shape. And then in my fill, I have some gradient options down here. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on my orange to yellow. We'll work on changing that here in the future. To do that though, you can look at your gradient options. You can go ahead and click on your squares in there and choose the color you like. So I'm going to switch it up and go ahead and go to blue and do like a blue to orange sort of gradient. So we're good with that. Next, we are going to move on to fill, transparency.